What is up, guys? It is Jaden the Train Watcher back with another video. Today we have, I think it's an NS train coming. Yep, Norfolk Southern.
Oh, hell yeah, that thing looks nice.
See how many engines it has.
I only have 6
Double.
engines in.
Me too. It's a double engine.
Both look to be facing forwards.
Yeah, it's a coal train.
Oh, I swear to God, if I get fucking blinded again.
And he is moving.
Holy fuck.
He is freaking moving. Low key, I want to climb inside of a coal car.
Bruh.
That's the only car I've never been inside of, besides a box car.
Yo. Union Station just opened. Oh, that's sun. The station just opened though. I got an alarm for it.
Oh, okay. And he is gone. Later, guys. That was Jaden the Train Watcher. Bye-bye.